Hi friends, welcome to Veena's Blue Roses. Today's video is about an art activity which is made of pista shell and a paper. One paper rose and a lotus using pista shells. Now let's see how to make this. To make lotus, I have taken some pista shells and a cardboard which I have cut into round. Modeling clay which is optional. Take the center part, put some glue and I am sticking this clay to it. Clay I am making it to a round. Stick it firmly, then we will start to arrange these pista shells. It will be easy to arrange the pista shells as we have taken this clay. If you have strong glue, no need to take this clay. If we take clay, it's easy to arrange. Now arrange it into circular form. We can use this lotus as a tea light candle holder. Just we can place one tea light above this lotus and can keep on a table or teapot. Now Diwali is coming. So for Diwali, while lighting diyas, we can use this. Can keep one tea light above this and lit. It will be very nice to see. Now it's almost done. Until the clay portion we will be arranging pista shell. Rest of the portion we will give color as green to consider it as leaf of the lotus. Now it's done. Let's paint the leaf of the lotus. For that I have taken dark green color and a flat brush. If you are planning to give color to the lotus, it's better to give color to the pista shells, then start arranging it. As I didn't do that, now I am giving pink color to these petals. Let's begin to give color to the petals. I am using pink acrylic paint for this. Now it's done. This is how it looks like. Try this and give me your feedbacks. Now let's begin to make rose out of colored paper. This is very easy to make. We can use this rose while we are giving gift to somebody we love. Like this we can use. Now let's see how to make this. For that I have cut one paper into round. Now drawing a spiral design on the paper. Draw spirals like this. Now through the spiral lines I am going to give cuts. Now take a twig and start swirling. Swirl it like this. Once we get hold on the paper, we will take out this twig. Now swirl it. hold it tightly and do. At the end portion, we will stick with glue. Now to it I am inserting the twig. To make this rose more firm, I am giving extra glue and going to attach one foam sheet which is green in color. Make a hole and attach to the rose. Now to the rose we will add 2 leaves. For that I have taken foam sheet and cut into a leaf form. Make hole out using pencil or any sharp object and insert to the twig. Now the second leaf. Instead of foam sheet, you can use normal paper as well. Now the second leaf also ready. Now to the twig I am going to give green color. Now see, it's exactly looking like a rose. Now let's start painting the twig. Paint the stem with green. Here I have used light green acrylic paint. We can make more flowers like this using paper and make a bouquet out of it. Here I am showing only one rose. This I am going to keep on a gift. As this rose will last longer, it's a better idea to give this rose. Try this and let me know your feedbacks. Thanks for watching, friends. Do subscribe to Veena's Blue Roses for more videos like this. Remember to press the bell so that as and when I post new videos, you will get notified.